So today we're going to talk about DIY and how you can switch between one main source of electricity and a secondary backup source of energy. Então hoje a gente vai fazer um Faça Você Mesmo, onde você pode fazer a transferência, a comutação entre uma fonte de energia primária e uma secundária, como um backup. Let's say you have the main electricity from the grid, and a second one can be a solar system or even a generator, gas, gasoline, or whatever, or any other source of energy. So two inputs and one primary, one backup, and one output stabilized out of that. Então, duas fontes de energia, duas entradas, né? Uma pode ser da rede do poste e outra pode ser um gerador a gasolina ou energia solar, do painel solar. As duas, uma principal, a outra de reserva. Ele vai selecionar e comutar entre as duas e mandar um sinal para fora de saída. So that's the device that I bought, okay? It is from China, but they basically added American labels. Esse é o material que eu comprei, o equipamento que eu comprei, tá? Ele é da China, né, no Amazon ali, mas eles botaram os nomes em inglês aqui pra gente ver. So basically what you have here is main source here, like phase or current and neutral, and here you have the backup, okay? Emergency power, phase or current and neutral. There is no ground, não tem só. Então, quando vocês veem, gente, ó, uma entrada de energia principal, fio fase, fio neutro. Aqui o reserva, fio fase, fio neutro. And here you can have automatic or manual. So basically you can do it yourself, or this device should commute between the both. Então, como eu falei para vocês, ele pode fazer a seleção automática ou manual. Tá? Você pode mexer com a mão qual que você quer, ou se você botar no automático, ele vai ficar pulando entre as duas. This is the main one, so it will always try to stay here. If this one fails, there is like a cut, a shortage in supply, it changes to the other. Esse aqui é o principal, vai sempre tentar ficar aqui. Se der uma naba aqui, um problema aqui, ele vai pular para outra. And here, I know it's strange, but you have two outputs. And you're gonna kind of merge them in one, and then you have your output. Eu sei que é estranho, mas tu tem as duas saídas aqui, tu vai juntar eles e vai sair. Let's see how this damn thing works! Damn it! So this is not the final product yet, okay? But like I told you, like one output phase connected to the other output phase, and then neutrals too. I connected them directly, not outside the box, just in the connectors itself. And then from the main, I pull the outlet that will provide continuous energy through the commuting here. And in the other side, I basically put like two, I would say, sources of energy. The main one and the auxiliary or backup one. Always remember, in theory, you should install breakers. One breaker here for the red, one breaker here for the white, same thing here, and a third one here. This is just a test and to show you how a ATS should be basically connected, okay? Então o que eu tava falando, gente, ó, conecta fase com fase, direto na conexão, o neutro no neutro, e aí dá a saída principal, a saída aqui para prover você com energia constante. Aqui as duas fontes de energia, a principal e a secundária, diretas aqui. Mas assim, ó, você tinha que ter um breaker, não sei como é que fala isso mais em português, mas sabe quando você tem na caixa lá de eletricidade os batedorzinhos que quando dá um curto-circuito cai, ele bate, tinha que ter um para cada fio desses e um para cada. Então 6 deles, tá bom? Vamos continuar a experiência. So we're gonna do the first test. It's in manual and it's in the emergency, which is not connected. There is no input here. Then I connected here the source. Viu, gente? Aqui tá desconectado, aqui conectado. Principal. And it's in manual, tá no manual. Now, I will switch to automatic. And I will provide source on the main one. In theory, this should move here. Let's see if it's gonna work. Fuck yeah, it does work. I'm a genius. Now we're gonna test if we disconnect. Let me do other tests now, because now the objective is switching between them. Now I'm gonna test this one. Let's see. So that's the setup, okay? This lamp is connected to the output. We have one source in with a key here, and another one that I'm not yet connecting because I wanna test everything. And that source is coming from one outlet, and this source is coming from the other outlet. Okay, now we're gonna test the main power. That should be simple. Let me do it. Okay, it works. Now I'm gonna try manual, and I will switch to the backup that is off. It should turn off. It turns off. Now I will automatic. It needs to automatically jump to the other one. Yep, it works. Now I'll do the risky one. That is connecting this damn thing. Oh shit. Pray to God that I don't die. Okay, it's connected and nothing exploded. Now, I have two sources coming in. Viu, gente? Tá conectado aqui duas fontes de energia, como eu falei para vocês, em diferentes tomadas, e a lâmpada ligada na saída. Now we're gonna test, and it's saying backup power is on. You see here? Backup power is active, but not connected. And the main power is connected and active. Now we're gonna do manual, and we're gonna try to switch to the other source, the backup. That would be the generator. Fucking works. Now, the final test. Whew. The final test will be to turn off this one. I will disconnect this one out of this outlet. Oh shit. It doesn't commute back. That's quite... Oh, because it's in manual. Dumb! It works. So let me do one thing. Now, automatic, and it's working. It's completely working. I will connect this one again here. It's not exploding anything. Connected. And now, let's see if it switches to the backup power. It completely does. Turn off, turn on the main power. It's working. I'm a genius. That's how you do it! Damn it. It works!